Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Shukri bin Abdul Rasid. My car metric is B0922100091. So I will discuss about introduction of electric. We can define electrical energy as the energy generated by the movement of electron from one point to another. The movement of a charged particle along through a medium, let's say wire, constitute current or electricity. Example for any company such as TNB and other power generation companies use a variety of methods to generate electrical energy. Hydroelectric power generation is a well known method of producing electricity in Malaysia. Other generation method include steam turbine, power of coal or natural gas. This day, it even power many of our car. You could travel to the most uninhabited area of the earth and still find it in the clouds above you during a storm. Electricity takes a different form like coal, water, solar, wind, nuclear, hydro, and solar. Electricity, however, provides a number of advantages that can benefit you, your family, and the planet. Firstly, lower energy bill, fuel burning, appliance and equipment waste some energy during combustion. Second, improve indoor air quality, and third, for lastly, cleaner environment. Electricity is the greatest gift of science to mankind. We have reached a point of our civilization when electricity is used for all purpose. Without it, our existence will be impossible. Electricity is a source of energy. It is produced by a battery, a coil of wire, or by dynamo machine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present to you all about our group physics assignment. For my part, have a two part. The first part is type of electrical device in the house. The second part is calculation of energy annual consumption. Okay, in our group assignment, we have choose as a five type of electric device that often found and used in the almost every home. The five electric device we choose are first refrigerator, second ceiling fans, third aircon, fourth rice cooker, and the last is television. Okay, the first home electrical device chosen is a refrigerator, which we have choose from the Samsung brand refrigerator from the Samsung RT355K 55625L freight model. This refrigerator we choose have a gross capacity 450 liter and then and a net capacity of 306 to 62 liter. The power consumption of this refrigerator is 200 watts. Okay, the second device, electrical device we have choose is ceiling fans. We have choose ceiling fans from the kind ceiling fans CFC11 model. This type of ceiling fans have a consumption power of 82 watts, and this ceiling fans also consists of three blades, and each blade have a 6 inches 60 inches. The third device, electrical device we have choose is aircon from the Mitsubishi MS JR10F VF model, which this aircon have a watt power consumption uh, 9 950 watts for power consumption. Okay, the second last electrical device we have choose is uh, for our group is rice cooker from the Philip all-in one cooker model, which this rice cooker have a capacity 6 liters and consists 8 uh, and consists uh, 950 watts of the power for this rice cooker. The final, uh, the final we have choose television from the Samsung Smart TV. This television has a 4K UHD resolution and have a 6-inch screen with the LED screen. For the power consumption part is 200 watts for this television. So for second part, my part is calculation of energy annual consumption a year. Okay, for energy consumption, energy annual consumption for each electric device we choose, we need to use one formula, which is formula is power rating multiple with the times a day, multiple time uh, a year, and divided 1000. For each, so the first calculation, this result of calculation, our calculation. Okay, so for the calculation, all the calculation, we can found the higher value and the lower value of annual energy consumption of each electric device we choose. Okay, the first the higher annual energy consumption for this assignment for our group is for air conditioner electric uh, device. Okay, the value is 400 uh, 6 49932 kilowatt hour per year. Okay, the higher value for this device can uh, due of to the power consumption own of the aircon itself, which is the higher power consumption between the other device, which 650 watts for this aircon power consumption. The lower uh, annual consumption the annual consumption is uh, ceiling fans. Ceiling fans is the lower annual consumption, uh, the value is only the 4,309.09 kilowatt hour per year. This because power consumption of the ceiling fans the lowest compare the electric device the other electric device which the power is uh, 82 watts other the uh, device which even the time used for the ceiling fan is quite long, which is 2 hour. But the lower power consumption with the important to declare to the energy consumption of ceiling fans. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Daniel Ben Zulkifli and my number matric is B0922102240. And today I'm going to present about method and data. So, in under this topic, which is how to do a calculation of energy annual consumption. So, the formula is shows on the slide, which is E annual. So how to find a E annual? It is P rating multiply T hour and multiply T days divided by 1000. In order to calculate the annual energy consumption, we must follow the formula provided and estimate the energy consumption for each device we choose. So I choose a refrigerator as an example to demonstrate how to use this method. So firstly, we need to know the P rating, which is 200 watts for refrigerator required for this refrigerator to function, and it must be placed into the P rating. So the 200 watts must be placed into the P rating. And then how to find the T hour, which is easy to find because we use a refrigerator switch on all day and all night, because in order to prevent food or store product from spoiling, so it must be 24 hours a day. So we got an answer for the T hour. And then for the T day, we only need to multiply the 24 hours to 365 days for the a year. So after we got the answer that placed into the formula, and then just divided by 1000. So as we can see the question on the slide, after we divided by 1000, we got a final answer, and the unit must be kilowatt per year. This method can be used to other device. Just put inside the calculation and formula, so you got an answer correct. So thank you.
Assalamualaikum. For my part, I will be explaining about how to improve energy efficiency in the house. So for the first one, we can install solar panel at home, which we know solar panel can renewable energy source. Second, eco-friendly, which means if you want to reduce your carbon footprint, the best way is by installing a solar panel system on your roof. It is important to understand that solar panel energy does not pollute the environment. And the last one is free source of energy, because we know we can use many times without any cost. Okay, second way is using compact fluorescent bulb, or in Malay we say lampu pendah floor, and we know that CFL are up to 400% more efficient than normal bulb. This means that you can replace your 100 watt in case bulb with 32 watt CFL for the same amount of light. with less energy use. Other than that, they had reduced emission of carbon dioxide. Switching to this light will allow you to do your part in reducing carbon emission, where just a single bulb is said to reduce half a ton of this gas in the atmosphere. Next point is efficiency audit. So why we need use their service? Because they can help to evaluate the energy efficiency of your home and determine where efficiency can be improved by recommending some low cost measure, because they have specialized tool and skill. Other than that, save on high energy appliances and reduce heating and cooling costs from refrigerator and washing machine to air conditioning unit. Investing in replacement will save your money in the long run. And auditor will assess the appliance used in your home and estimate their energy usage. Okay, for the last way is how to improve energy efficiency is tune up HVAC system. So HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Why we need to do this? Because to ensure that your furnace and AC are running at peak efficiency, and cooling checkup can improve efficiency by ensure connection are tightened. As we know, when turning up your HVAC system, it can also help to avoid replacing your furnace, which means can reduce cost much amount to repair.
So, for conclusion, energy consumption is a crucial issue that affect not only the environment but also the economy and society. Therefore, it is important to reduce energy consumed. Thank you.